Dr. Shaheen told that his brother Parvez Shahid was also included in the same chat group in which Muzammil and Adil were. Parvez may have destroyed this explosion material in anticipation of arrest before the ATS raid. This kind of information also have been shared with the ATS after the raid, because it was very clear that interrogation of the arrested doctors has revealed a large network of Jaise Mohammed and Dr. Shaheen of Lucknow. Clearly, even during this investigations told that his brother Parvez Shahid was also included the same chat group in where Muzammil and Adil were added. So Jammu Kashmir police and ATS reached Lucknow and detained the Parvez Shahid, also his brother, who is the brother of Mohammed Shaheen. However, no major seizure were made, but according to the official in this time and according to the sources, there is a possibility that Parvez may have destroyed the explosion material in anticipation of the arrest. So it was the reason that the Dr. Muzammil, Dr. Adil and Dr. Shaheen have already been arrested by Jammu and Kashmir police, was arrested in coordination with the Uttar Pradesh and Haryana police. While Dr. Umar, we know that about him, he was from Lucknow and who was then a teacher in Al Falah Medical College, Faridabad, seconded. During the interrogation in Srinagar, Shahid admitted that Umar often discussed the planning terrorist attacks across the country. So all the doctors worked together at Al Falah Medical College, Faridabad, and after work they used to discuss terrorist activities in the meeting. So it was a reason that a big nexus, which we can say that was running for a long time in the state of Uttar Pradesh, here from Lucknow also, because the two brother and sister were involved in this whole scenario as this kind of incident has taken place in Delhi. So it was a reason Shaheen was the prime, which we can say that this time used in this whole scenario, and she has a responsibility also to recruit the women for the Jaise Mohammed. So it was a reason, the main key point of the Shaheen Shahid was in this whole scenario which have been created in this time in this country, and behind this blast